Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see about an CDS view. In the previous lecture, we have seen about what is an select statement in Sap Abap. So, let us first see the agenda. We are going to see what is CDS view and some of the key features of CDS view. CDS views, that is in core data services, they are the frameworks which uses SQL-like syntax for consuming the data modules directly into the Hana database, and also they are used for the web development on an Hana. Also, it simplifies the data modeling and reporting and increases the performance by pushing the computations to the database. So this is what about an CDS view. Let us see what is some key features of CDS view. Very first, core to data parallelism. So the process, it processes the data in the database layer, not in the application layer for the better performance. So the second one is annotations. Annotations add the metadata to enhance the functionality. Example, UI annotations for the Fury apps. Then third one is joins and associations. They combines the multiple database table in a single view. And also one of the features is reusability. CDS views can be reused in the other CDS views or in a web programming. So this is basic thing about an CDS view. Do like the video and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.